Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. Thank you for clicking on today's video and I hope you guys enjoy it. And also hello to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for hitting the subscribe button and following me here and over on my Instagram. It's been so great to get to chat to some of you. So today's video is in collaboration with Cherryz, and I've worked with Cherryz a few times before, and they are one of my favourite places just to pick up knickknacks for your home, cleaning supplies and interior bits. Such a great app. If you haven't already had a look at it, definitely check them out. I'll put it up here so you can see a little sneak peek of what the app looks like, but it's super easy to use. It literally has everything you'll ever need for your home. It's so affordable as well, and I also love that you can get it delivered straight to your house. I have a huge unboxing for you guys today. I've been dying to just like break into this and use all the things, but I wanted to film a little unboxing and show you guys first. Do you have a discount code? I will leave it here or I will link it down below. It is so much easier than just going out to the shops. You can just do it on your phone and it gets delivered like the next day, so it's super quick. I'm gonna jump on into today's haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below of any video requests that you guys have for me, and I'm just gonna jump on into the unboxing and I hope you guys enjoy. So here's what the Cherryz box looks like when it's delivered. I love this box. It's got loads of different images on it and loads of information about the brand as well. So I'll show you quickly here what it says on the inside of the box, just in case you want to pause and have a read of those. So let's get started with the unboxing. I got this huge family size orange no sugar squash. This is so nice with ice. And then I also got these Finish dishwasher tablets. I find these are just one of the best dishwasher tablets, and they're really affordable on the app. They're a lot cheaper than any other shops that I buy them in. And then in here is also comfort. So this one smells lovely. It's like linen fresh, and it's just a comfort for my washing. They have such a variety of different washing detergents and fabric softeners on their app as well. Next up in my box of goodies is these sponges. So I feel like I always lose these, but they're so good just for clearing around the sink and everything in the kitchen. Next up is the Microfiber Cloths. So these are perfect for cleaning glass or your shower or just anything that you want to shine. This spray bottle was less than £1 as well, and I got this for watering my plants. I then just picked up some bin bags. These are 25. And next up I got some cotton pads. So these were also less than £1 as well, so really cheap, but they do the job for taking off your makeup. Speaking of makeup, I got this little makeup sponge. I got one of these before and they're perfect for blending your under eye. And then I got my favorite toothpaste. So I absolutely love these Purple Diamond by Colgate. It's just my only toothpaste that I use. And then Dove, they have a huge selection of Dove on their website as well. So I got the Dove body wash and the Dove moisturizer. So when I saw this on the website, I knew I had to get it. This water bottle is so cute. It's so perfect for spring and summer, and I love the little yellow handle that it comes in. So it's easy to just take about and travel with you. So I absolutely love that. Next up is a Febreze. You can't go wrong with Febreze. I put it on my cushions, on my bed, on my rugs, everywhere. And the last product in the box is the Lenore Crease Releaser. If you haven't smelled this, it smells so beautiful, and it's perfect for taking out creases of your bedding or your clothes like last minute. So good. It's just great on all fabrics, so I love that. And that is the end of my Cherryz haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Defo check them out if you haven't already. I highly recommend. They have such great products and really affordable prices. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!